Compound sentence. A compound sentence is a sentence which is composed of two independent clauses joined together by a coordinating conjunction. The coordinating conjunctions in English are for, and, nor, but, or, yet, and so. Take note that yet is just similar in meaning to but. And do not confuse coordinating conjunctions with subordinating conjunctions. Examples: I was in the library and Jimmy was in the classroom. The two independent clauses in this sentence are I was in the library and Jimmy was in the classroom. They are joined together by the coordinating conjunction and. Another one, he is sad for his parents are fighting. The two independent clauses here are he is sad and his parents are fighting. They are joined by the conjunction for. I'll go to Lily's house or I will go shopping. The two independent clauses in this sentence are I'll go to Lily's house. The second one, I will go shopping. They are joined by the conjunction or. The fourth one, he can sing well, but he doesn't know how to dance. The two independent clauses are he can sing well and he doesn't know how to dance. But is our conjunction. The last one, he doesn't know how to write, nor does he know how to read. The two independent clauses are he doesn't know how to write and does he know how to read. Our conjunction is nor. Using nor is quite complicated because it doesn't follow the normal statement pattern. We use nor when the first sentence is in negative form. The second one resembles an interrogative sentence. Be careful when you use a coordinating conjunction because it has the power of completely changing the content of your sentence. Examples: she didn't attend class for she played her favorite computer game. The conjunction that we used here is for. And this sentence means the reason why she didn't attend class was that she played her favorite computer game. Another one, she didn't attend class so she played her favorite computer game. This time we used the conjunction so, and the meaning also changed. It now means she just played computer game because she didn't attend class. Another example, I want to move to New York and I want to buy a car. This sentence means the speaker wants to do both things, move to New York and buy a car. Another one, I want to move to New York, so I want to buy a car. This time, the action he will buy a car is just a consequence of the action he will move to New York. For our exercise, connect the correct independent clauses using the correct coordinating conjunction. For the first set of independent clauses, we have I did something wrong. My parents are very busy. Henry stayed home. I'm an athlete. They didn't do their project. The second one, they always have time for us. I apologized. I'm also a singer. Did they study for the exam? He's sick. The conjunctions that we can choose from are and, so, for, nor, and but. Let's start with the first one. I did something wrong. What do you think is the correct pair of independent clause for this? The answer is I apologized. How about the conjunction? The answer is so. I did something wrong, so I apologized. The second one, my parents are very busy. The correct independent clause is number 1. They always have time for us. The correct conjunction is but. Our parents are very busy, but they always have time for us. The third one, Henry stayed home. The correct independent clause is number 5. He's sick. The correct coordinating conjunction is for. Henry stayed home for his sick. The fourth one, I'm an athlete. The correct independent clause is I'm also a singer. How about the conjunction? And. I'm an athlete and I'm also a singer. The last one, they didn't do their project. The independent clause is did they study for the exam? And of course, we have the conjunction nor. They didn't do their project, nor did they study for the exam. Complex sentence. A complex sentence is composed of one independent clause and one or more dependent clauses joined by subordinating conjunctions. Some of the subordinating conjunctions that we have in English are because, since, after, although, unless, if, or when. We also use relative pronouns such as that, who, or which. Dependent clauses are not complete sentences. That's why they're called dependent clauses, because we need to add them to independent clauses to form a complex sentence. Examples: because I was too lazy to study. When I was 10. If someone invites her. These are examples of dependent clauses. They can stand alone. They need the help of independent clauses. Let's take a look at the following examples. I didn't pass the test because I was too lazy to study. What is the independent clause in this sentence? I didn't pass the test. How about the dependent clause? Of course, because I was too lazy to study. Because here is our subordinating conjunction. Another one, I broke my leg when I was 10. The independent clause here is I broke my leg. The dependent clause is when I was 10. When here is our subordinating conjunction. The third one, She might watch the concert if someone invites her. She might watch the concert is our independent clause. If someone invites her is our dependent clause. If is our subordinating conjunction. Notice that in these examples, the independent clauses come first. But if the sentence starts with a dependent clause, put a comma after it. Take a look at the following examples. Because I was too lazy to study, I didn't pass the test. When I was 3, I broke my leg. If someone invites her, she will watch the concert. This time, we put the dependent clauses at the start of the sentence. Because I was too lazy to study, when I was 3, and if someone invites her are our dependent clauses. If you noticed, we put commas after them. For our exercise, connect the independent clauses to the correct dependent clauses. For our independent clauses, we have I was orphaned. We can't get to the island. Nancy found the ring. They had a fight. She is already a successful businesswoman. For our dependent clauses, we have because of what happened, which she lost the week before. When I was 11 years old, although she's very young, and unless we sail. Let's start with the first one. I was orphaned. What do you think is the correct dependent clause for this? The correct answer is number 3. When I was 11 years old. So the sentence will now be I was orphaned when I was 11 years old. The second one, we can't get to the island. The correct independent clause is unless we sail. The sentence is we can't get to the island unless we sail. The third one, Nancy found the ring. The correct dependent clause is number 2, which she lost the week before. Nancy found the ring which she lost the week before. The fourth one, they had a fight. The correct dependent clause is number 1, because of what happened. They had a fight because of what happened. And the last one, she is already a successful businesswoman. The correct dependent clause is, of course, number 4, although she's very young. The sentence is, she is already a successful businesswoman, although she's very young.